Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Vivoactive 4 tutorial video. In this video, I'll be doing an overview of the navigation features included on the Vivoactive 4. So we'll be going over the settings and then how to actually use it. The navigation features on the Vivoactive 4 are pretty basic, but they could help you navigate back to a trailhead or maybe back to your car, something like that. So let's go ahead and get started. On the Vivoactive 4, navigation is treated as an activity. So to get to it, all we need to do is hit the button in the top right by the 2 o'clock hour marker. So we'll hit that, and then it'll bring up a list of the activities available on the watch. If it does not show up in the list of your favorites, just simply hit the button at the bottom, and then you could scroll through there. And it should be somewhere in the bottom right there, navigate. So we'll select navigate. You have two options in navigate, save location and saved locations. Save location will use GPS to find your coordinates and it'll save those coordinates to the watch. So if I do save location, it's going to try to locate my location using GPS satellites. Now if you're indoors like I am, it may not work or it may take a long time, but once it does sync with the satellites, it'll say satellites found, and then it will show you your GPS coordinates just like this. And as you can see, it does try to show the elevation, but that seems to be incorrect because I am not 250 feet below sea level. So once it does show you your position, you can go ahead and just hit save to save it. And then the first option you'll be given is to select a marker. And this is just a quick, easy way to recognize that actual save location. So I'm just going to do a camera. So now that we have some saved locations on the watch, we can go into saved locations and see them there. So that's the one I just created right there with the camera. Now they do have some samples in there if you want to play with this, such as their different headquarters worldwide. So I'm going to, as an example, just select the Garmin headquarters right here, and I believe that's in Kansas. And as you can see, it gives us a couple options. Go to, which will navigate us to that saved location. We have details, so you can see the elevation, and then the position, also the distance. And then you have change icon, so if you wanted to edit the icon that was saved for it, and then you could also delete it. So if I select go to, it's going to start an activity, so it'll wait for GPS to sync. And once it does sync, it'll say ready. So we'll go ahead and select that. It'll start the activity. And then as you can see, it tracks it just like a normal activity. But if we go down, there'll be a screen for navigate, which is basically just pointing the arrow in the direction of the actual save location and giving us a distance remaining. So this is not going to put you on a course or have any sort of guided navigation. It's just going to point you in a direction and tell you how far you have to go to get to that save location. So like I said, this is very basic, but this could be useful if you were maybe on a hike. You could save the location of the trailhead or your car, and then you'd be able to ensure that you could at least know the location of your car and hopefully hike back if you got lost for some reason. All right, so now that we've gone over the navigation settings, one quick thing I want to show you. You can quickly save locations on the Garmin Vivoactive 4 by simply opening up the control menu, and we do that by holding down this button up here in the top right for just a couple seconds. That'll bring up the control menu right here, and if you see that icon that looks like a map pointer, the little red icon, if you select that, that's going to bring up save location and begin saving your current location. So that's a good way to quickly get to that if you are trying to use this while you're on the go. And if you don't have that icon, all you need to do is hold down the bottom right button to bring up the menu, and you could select one of the items, trash it, and then hit the plus button and find save location and add it to your control menu. All right, so that was a quick overview of the navigation features on the Vivoactive 4. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Vivoactive 4 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.